Hello friends, today I have Asus ROG motherboard. Motherboard model number is G531GT mainboard. This motherboard problem is no power. Okay, I pressed this one I check. I found this is a 2.5 volt IC is burned. I remove it. Now I show you is a coil impedance. See this coil impedance is okay. This one. See. And see this one. This is a 1 volt PCH coil. It is a full short. It means our PCH is not a good. And after removing this 2.5, this output side is okay. Now our first job is remove this PCH and want to check 3 volt 5 volt is present. Now I not give power because this some MOSFET are may be damaged. 3.3 voltage going to all motherboard area 19 volt is gone. All IC burn. Okay. Now I not give power. Only I confirm this PCH is full short. Now I remove this one. We can start our work. Firstly, remove this one. Want to remove this glue. This PCH model number is SR40B. It's a very common PCH. Our second step is want to cover this capacitor and this plastic area with this aluminium tape. Now friends, apply flux to the PCH. And give preheat. Friends, preheat is now complete. Our first step is done. Now I PCH remove from the motherboard. Now we can check impedance of the coil. Firstly I remove this protection tape. Friends, see now impedance of the 1.0 PCH coil. See the impedance and 3 volt and 5 volt. Friend, now I do one thing. I hope to clean this all the solder pads after I give power, because this motherboard is not present 3 volt and 5 volt. Now we remove PCH and now we can give power and check 3 volt 5 volt is present or not. Now I start PCH all the solder ball cleaning in motherboard. Friends, this solder pad cleaning job is done. Now we can give power. Friends, now I start to give power. This is my DC power supply. I input power, see, and check. 3.3 is percent. Now check. 5 volt is percent, and see this one. 1 volt is present. It means our main short circuit component is now removed. Okay. Now I add this 2.5 volt IC, and after replace new PCH, and we can check what happened. Okay friends, now next step is replacing this IC. Solder this 2.5 IC. Now we can add our new PCH to motherboard. Before PCH add in, want to add flux to motherboard, and again want to cover this area. Friend, I sold a new PCH to motherboard. Now we can check our job is what happened. Remove this aluminium tape. Yes, now I give power. We can see what happened. See, yes, motherboard is turning on. So, see, our job is done. Now I do one thing. I not plug the RAM. I add this any DDR tester. Okay, for checking the voltages RAM port. Can turn it on. See, friend, all voltages are present. DRAM reset is not present because we not plug the RAM. Okay, I think our job is 100% done. Now want to plug RAM and check it again. Friends, now I plug my testing RAM and this keyboard. Okay, you can see what happened and check this any DDR tester DRAM reset voltage. See, machine is turning on. See, DRAM reset is present. See, 1.32 voltage and see this one bus signal now. Okay, wait, this is one want to 2-3 times restart because it is get the CMOS reset and check my keyboard numlock key. See, friend, see this one. See my keyboard numlock key and check this bus signal. See, friends, our job is done. Friends, now I do one thing. I assemble this one to case in. Friends, now I plug motherboard to this case in. Now machine is here, my DC power supply. Now I turn it on. See what happened. Yes, friend. Machine is turning on, friend. My job is done. Thanks for watching. This is the old PCH short one. I replace new one. This is a screen. Our job is done.